Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. Then it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been doing this analysis on a very routine basis, but after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. So what I'm going to do is just use these annotations from the past, and I'm going to use these for nearer term levels because these levels down here really don't pertain anymore just because the price has made such a big move. So first level, we'll just talk about newest areas of resistance, and nothing complicated about that other than the fact that the party finally stopped today right up around the $1.48, $1.49 mark. So that'll be public enemy number one going forward from the resistance standpoint, right around those areas there. Now, what about levels of support? First level of support is what I would call the ideal level. And if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above $1.35. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $1.35, I'm not saying that the entire chart is broken or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay up above $1.35, that would definitely be a huge sign of strength going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above $1.35 would be great. However, from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls 100% are in full control of the chart. Again, in resistance levels, it's all about the $1.48, $1.49 mark. But really, resistance levels are totally overrated because at the end of the day, as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing, which is building these higher lows, or if you want to picture those as stair steps, then yeah, as long as the price continues to build those stair steps in the higher direction, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on the healthy consolidations and just sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.